said there is something important you want us to talk about. What is it?
Our guy is angry with you.
Which of our guy?
Tobenna, of course.
Why?
Well, he said you took the girl he's been after for a long time now.
Dara, right?
Dara, of course.
But that's not true. You know the story. I have nothing going on with that girl. And for that reason, I won't even bother explaining myself.
Well, I see where you're coming from, but I will advise you call him one-on-one, sit him down and explain things to him.
Clear conscience fears no accusation. I have nothing going on with that girl, and I'm not interested in her. For that reason, in fact, I hate explaining myself. That's not necessary, okay?
I still understand where you're coming from, like I said earlier. But please, for friendship's sake, see, now a guy will talk about so. Call him, sit him down and discuss things with him off.
If my friend is not deep enough to understand me, so be it.
You sent for me, Ma.
I couldn't.
Ma.
My parents want me to get married.
Wow, that's good news.
Shut up.
I'm sorry, my princess.
As I was saying before you stupidly interjected. My parents believe that I am more than due for marriage.
Of course, it is the right thing to do at this stage of your life, Ma.
Well, I, on the other hand, am not ready. I am not ready for marriage.
Well, it's still okay, Ma. So you will have time to enjoy your life more before getting married.
Beautiful. Excellent. Now you're speaking my language. Now come closer. Come to me. That's okay. I want you to do some insider work for me. My father said that if I'm hesitant to bring a man as fiancé and introduce to him, that he is going to bring a man and impose on me. That's where you come in. I want you to find out who the man is. The man my father is referring to. The man that is in his plans to present to me. You are going to find out who that man is. Because for my father to have passionately threatened to impose a man on me, chances are he has a man already waiting for me. You understand?
My princess, I don't think that will be possible.
Why is that?
Because there's no way I'll be able to unmask the plans of the royal heads.
Girl, I don't care how you do it. As far as you get it done, I'm counting on you. And listen, Akuna, what I just told you was not a request. It's an order. And so I anticipate results.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, yeah. What kind of a princess?
Oh, God. So it took you this long to come see your friend?
Come on, princess.
Really?
I've been busy, but I know that's not an excuse. I'm sorry. Don't be angry.
No, it's okay. I mean, when you're pretty like that, it's hard to stay mad at you.
Oh, thank you.
Look at her.
So, how's it been?
So, I'm back and I'm here trying to acclimatize to the environment and the people. I tell you, it's exhausting.
My God.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, just give it time. I'm sure everything will work out well for you.
I hope so.
Okay, so how is the prince?
It's fine.
Is he around? Come on, don't give me that look.
What's up, girl?
You know I've always liked your brother. For real. I mean, during our university days, I tried so hard to get his attention, but to no avail.
Oh. Maybe you didn't try hard enough.
I did. I know I did. But he just didn't look my way. I don't know. I tried, really.
Then maybe he had a girlfriend.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, I never saw him with any girl. Seriously.
So after all these years, do you still like him? Do you still want him?
Of course. Of course I do. You know what's crazy? I mean, it might sound crazy to you. I keep seeing him in my dreams.
Okay.
Okay, girl, for real. And I keep wishing, hoping, and praying that maybe we might become a couple, you know?
Oh,
Come on, stop it.
No, that's gonna be cute.
I like it.
Fairy godmother, what can you do about that?
You want to pull out some magic?
Oh, wait a minute, girl. Wait a minute. Because I think I just might be able to help you.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think I can get my brother for you. Like, I could get him to become your man.
Princess, you're not kidding. I mean, you're not
Just
pulling my legs, right?
Give me till weekend and he's all yours.
Are you serious?
Damn straight.
Adadiarama, if you do this for me, I swear on my life, I swear with everything I have, I'm going to be indebted to you forever.
Oh, girl, you owe me one. Because I'm
mean
going to
it.
hold you up on that promise.
You can.
Okay.
Okay. You serious?
I'm not joking.
Okay.
You're my girl. Whatever you want, I get it for you.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
And she's hating on everyone and this.
Listen, you're acting funny. So you think I have something going on with Chidera?
That's for you and Chidera to answer.
Well, if you must know, there is nothing going on between us.
So why is she all over you?
She likes me, but I'm not interested.
You see? So she does not like me.
Yes, but you can make her like you.
How do I do that?
Talk to her. Make your intentions known. Once your intentions are pure, she will concur.
Prince, she won't even give me a listening ear.
Go to her house.
Her house? How? I don't know her house. Okay, come to think of it. How do I even go to a place uninvited?
See what you they talk. Later you will claim say you be guy man. Pull up on her unannounced. Mugu. Sit down, make I give you OT. Pull up on her unannounced. That shows how serious you are.
Onowue, what is this thing you want to say that cannot be discussed over the phone?
Your Majesty, it's about Princess Adadoram. You see, in fact, I've been following her behavior. I come to see that she actually needs to be tutored on the ways of her people. Her culture, tradition, general way of life. Yes. You may not have noticed, but people have been complaining that she does things the way she likes, without regard for the way our people live, without regard to our culture, just does things. In fact, sometimes she even delves into matters that have no bearing, does not concern her at all. She just goes into them. So
well, no, I must have to admit that every single thing you have said here so far are things I have noticed myself. And for you to express it shows you are indeed a friend of the family.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I appreciate the fact that you are showing concern.
Thank you.
So,
Your Majesty.
how do you think we can solve the problem?
First of all, I think we should bring in somebody, preferably a maiden, who knows the ways of life of our people, our ways, our culture, tradition, who is well versed in the way we live. And then bring her in, employ her as the princess' personal maid. But her main duty will be to tutor the princess, teach her, lecture her on our culture, on our ways of life, bring her up to date. I think that way she will gradually become one of us fully.
That's a brilliant one.
Yes.
Very brilliant suggestion.
Thank you, Majesty.
Well thought out. So, do you have any maiden in mind who can do this job?
Yes, I think I know someone who can handle this job perfectly.
Then the problem is solved. Bring this person and then we can pick it up from there.
I'll do that. I'll do that, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, we need to put things in proper perspective.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The meaning of this? What's this show all about?
I apologize for my manners.
Keep your apologies to yourself. What do you want?
Well, basically to apologize for my outburst the last time we met.
You can save it. I'm not interested.
There I am sorry. I love you so much. All I ask of you is a chance to prove my love to you.
And I do not love you. Is that so difficult for you to understand? I don't love you. Go and find someone else. Is it by force? Gosh.
Father, I learned you know who was here.
Yes, he was actually here the other day. And he came to tell me about his second son, who is now a graduate. And he wanted to find out if there is any employment we can open up for the son of his in the royal company. I forgot to mention that to you. And I'm just asking you now that you raised it up. Is there something we can do for the Onowu son?
Well, coming from Onowu, we can't say no to him. Onowu has been committed to the affairs of this kingdom. So I think it's time for us to reciprocate.
I think.
I will create something for your son.
I like to hear you say that. Like you said, the Onowu has been of tremendous help, not just to the kingdom, but even to the family.
True.
And we should be able to help him whichever way we can.
Just tell his son to call me. Or better still, he should just come to the office.
It's okay. I will mention that to the Onowu.
All right, Father. Excuse me.
No. I still have something that I want to discuss with you. Okay.
Chuma.
Papa.
Get up.
Papa, good afternoon.
I just got a message from the king. The prince wants to see you in the office, right?
Good, that's great news. When should I start going?
Go in there, dress up and start going. Stop all this nonsense you're doing. They can't help you.
Papa, I'm not working out, so I'll be a bouncer for the rest of my life. You know, fitness is good for the health.
Fitness is good, but not as a chosen career in your life. Go in there, dress up and go.
Okay.
I must admit that Onowu spoke my mind. But did he suggest anything in that regard?
Yes. He recommended that we have to bring in a maiden of this kingdom who is grounded in our culture and tradition. For that maiden to come and stay here in the palace. That maiden will be the one who will take her through the dynamics of our culture.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I've always had that in mind, just that I was waiting for the right time. But now that Onowu has said it, let us give it a try.
That simply means both of us are on the same page. Good. I already gave my approval to the Onowu to bring in the maiden he recommended. That maiden will be here any moment from now, and you are going to be the one to give the final approval. When you see the maiden and you are okay with her to start living here and doing the job, then she stays. If you are not comfortable with her, then we will start to look for another.
I trust the Onowu 100%.
I like to hear you say that.
No problem. Let us wait until she comes.
Akuna,
My princess,
I'm beginning to enjoy working with you.
I'm delighted to hear that.
Yeah, there's a lot we can do together. And we'll go places too. Now listen up. I have your first official task as my personal maid. You ready for it?
Yes, my princess.
Excellent. Now listen. I'm gonna need you to give me a comprehensive list of everyone that works in this palace. Guards, maidens, chef, stewards, everybody. I want to have their background written down there. I want to see their history, their background, and even their personal lifestyles written in your list. And I want it ASAP. How soon can I get it?
My princess, that would be very hard for me to do.
It's not going to be hard because you're going to do it.
Okay, my princess.
Okay. So when are you going to deliver?
By the end of this month.
Are you kidding? That's 3 weeks long wait. You're going to make me wait for that long? Girl, that is unacceptable.
See, my princess, if you need a comprehensive information on what you're asking me for, then you have to give me time.
I guess you're right. I'll wait. But don't make me wait for too long, girl. I hate to lose my patience.
Okay, my princess.
Okay, girl. I'm counting on you.
Cause she's so full of herself.
Are you the only son that is looking for a job?
Yes, my prince.
What's your discipline?
BSc marketing, sir.
So what kind of job are you looking for?
My prince, any job, as long as it earns me a living, I'll do it.
Have you said?
Yes, my prince.
Okay, there's no vacancy in our company for now, but we are planning on expanding our company. When that happens, I will.
Thank you, my prince. You were saying, my prince.
I said there is no vacancy for now, but because of your father, you know, I will get something for you. Can you be my personal assistant?
You mean your PA?
Yes. You have a problem with that?
No, my prince. I'll do it.
Alright, I'll place you on 50,000 naira per month with 15,000 naira transport allowance. Enjoy your juice.
Thank you, my prince.
So how did it go?
She still did not want to listen to me.
Well, I think the prince needs to come in at this point.
I already told him to do that, but I don't think he has done it.
Then call him to find out if he has done that.
I'll do that later in the day.
And you also need to take it easy on yourself.
Johnson, I'll try. I'll try.
No, don't just try. Do it.
Okay, that's fine. I've heard you. So, what would you like to have?
Something soft would be nice.
Johnson, with the way I feel, I don't think anything soft will be
Get
nice.
me something soft. You always have something soft in the house. Guy, you don't go force me to drink.
Oh, it's okay. I'm coming. Just hold on, please. I'll be back. Please.
You are diminishing. To be my guy. You know one give you love.
You said you wanted to talk to me. What is it?
Well, I am going to be very direct with you because that's your thing, right? You like it when I hit the nail at the head. Okay. So check this out. I have a friend that likes you.
Excuse me.
You heard me.
I'm not interested.
Oh, please do not be in a hurry to dismiss this one. Okay, because the girl in question is mwah. She's beautiful and sexy, and she knows how to love on somebody.
I am still not interested.
Okay, you know, when I mentioned this to you, you were not supposed to respond immediately. You're supposed to think about it, sleep on it, and then give me a response, like tomorrow or next week. Take your time.
You should be the one thinking on how to get married.
Oh, excuse you?
You heard me loud and clear.
Oh, why is that?
Because you're a woman, you don't have all that time.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see what you're trying to do. You trying to flip the table around on me. No, nahi, Baba. Nahi. You are older than me, so you're gonna get married before me. And as far as this discussion is concerned, you are the subject, you're the topic. We're talking about you. I'm trying to hook you up, man. What's wrong with you?
Still not interested.
Think about it.
So, how did it go with the prince?
Well, I got the job.
That is good. So, when are you starting?
Tomorrow.
Oh, so soon?
I can't even wait.
Okay. I can see you like the job.
Yes, so...
Okay. Well, I am happy for you, but I must warn you. The prince is a very serious-minded person. And to work with him successfully, you must be up and doing.
Papa, don't worry.
What true, man?
So you don't go there and mess yourself up.
I'll make you proud.
That'll be all for now.
Okay.
Go and freshen up.
Ologun Beroka.
Igwe.
Ologun.
Your Majesty. Greetings.
Greetings to you. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings.
No, greetings.
Greetings, Ono.
Yeah.
Please be seated.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
So I want to believe the Onowu has already given you your job description.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And do you have any question?
At the moment, I don't have any, my queen, but I'll ask if need be.
It's okay. You are welcome to the People's Palace.
Thank you, my queen.
Brilliant. The queen will take you around the palace because as it is, you have started work already.
Thank you, my king.
Onowu, I hope she came with her bags.
Of course. She has arrived, she has to start.
Okay.
It's all right.
Take her out.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you, my king.
Nice one, nice one. No, I want to find out. I hope you took your time to explain to her that the princess is a complex and complicated character, that it may be difficult working with her.
Trust me, Your Majesty. I told her everything she needs to know. And I assure you that this is the best hand for this job.
Let's see how it goes.
I remember the day you came back. You were talking about our culture falling apart.
That's right. Because I returned and met your kingdom in absolute disarray, mommy. And that's because you, the queen, began to tolerate bullshit in your palace.
On the contrary, we discovered that you know nothing about our culture and tradition. Therefore, we decided to bring Nwogo to be your in-house maid.
You know, Mommy, you and Daddy, that's where you kill me the most. What in the world gives y'all the impression that I do not know the traditions of our people? Because I do.
Well, that maid has come to stay. And you have nothing to do, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Nothing I can do about it. For starters, I could fire her.
Fire her? You are just a daughter in this palace. You have no right to fire any maid employed by the royal heads. Get that into your brain.
You know, I don't even get it with you. 12 days ago, or thereabout, you brought a maid to me. And of course, I hated the idea. I didn't want a maid. But upon your insistence, you cajoled me into accepting that maid. And just now that we're trying to get along, you had to ruin it by bringing another.
Adora, that one has been withdrawn. This new one replaces her.
Withdrawn?
Yes.
Without my knowledge and approval. Is that how y'all behave in this place?
Do we have to take permission from you? It is in your overall interest. Adora, start learning how to stay with this new maid.
Akona and I were getting along just fine. Now you want me to begin to familiarize with a stranger? Why? What are you doing to me?
Well, that was Onowu's idea, and your father bought it. Start living with her peacefully.
She could be someone to emulate.
Chuma.
But she's hating on everyone.
Chuma.
And it's so bad. Yeah. 'Cause she's so full of herself.
Good morning, my prince.
Morning. Take this briefcase to the car. I'll be out in a jiffy.
Okay, my prince.
Chuma.
Boss.
I have over 5 million naira in that briefcase. So please handle with care.
Sure, my prince.
Be someone to emulate. But she's hating on everyone. And it's so bad. Yeah. 'Cause she's so
Find your wit, no? Hear me out.
What is it? What do you want?
Okay, first, I will start by introducing myself. I am Chuma, the Onowu son, the direct PA to the prince of this land, and the only human being alive permitted to be anywhere the prince goes.
Chuma, that still does not explain what you...
I was only introducing myself. Okay, now I'll tell you what I want.
Yes, please, be fast about it.
Yeah, definitely I will. So please, what's your name?
My name is Udochi.
Wow, what a beautiful name. Udochi, listen, I like you. In fact, I love you. Can we be friends, please?
Friends with who? I am not interested. Thank you.
Hey, chill. I'm not done talking, huh? Okay, see, I promise I would cater for you. I'll make sure you never lack. Only if you say yes.
You said you have something important you want us to discuss about.
Yes, my prince. You know, the last time you visited me, I spoke to you about helping me to talk to Chidera. So I'm here to find out if you have spoken with her.
Hopefully I will do that today.
Is that a promise?
Yes. Once I'm done talking to her, I will update you.
So I hope to hear from you today?
Yes, I'll call you back. Okay. I was already heading out before you came in. Permit me to leave. That doesn't mean you're leaving, okay? I will instruct the
No,
maid.
we're also on our way going out.
No, don't go there, please. The maid will prepare something light, maybe tea and egg. Eat before you go, please.
Yeah, my prince.
I insist. See you guys later. I'll call you once I'm done, okay?
Very well, thank you. Thank you.
We'll see you later.
Chuma. My friends, where did you go to?
I went to settle some things.
I hope you've settled whatever it is.
Yes, my friends.
Are you good to go?
Let's go. Let's go.
Hold on. What is it?
My friends, please, did you see any briefcase?
Which briefcase?
The briefcase you gave me.
Is that what you're looking for?
You know, I went to settle things, so I kept it here. Yes. Before going.
What kind of human being are you? You're looking for that briefcase? Chuma, what did I tell you about that briefcase?
Sir, you said that there's money in the briefcase and I should take care of it. But sir, I swear with my life, before leaving here, I kept it here. This is a palace. I kept it here, sir. My prince. Hey.
You mean you're seriously looking for my briefcase?
Yes, my prince.
Something I gave you a few minutes ago.
My prince, this is a palace. Who is going to steal? I swear I kept it here. Hey.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. What are you doing with my briefcase?
My prince, I saw it here and I decided to keep it safe.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my prince.
Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes, my prince, I can.
But you already failed on your first
My
day.
prince, I'm sorry, it's just a mistake. I was pressed, so I said let me quickly, come and get back the box. It's a mistake that will never happen again, my prince. I'm sorry.
You keep saying it's a palace, it's a palace. Your common sense should have told you that keeping it there was wrong. I told you that money had...
That guy is very careless. If not that this briefcase belongs to the prince, would have not bring it out. Hi.
I think I need to explain the kind of man that I am for you to understand me better. I am a huge fan of hard work. Yes, I'm a huge fan of hard work and I reward hard work. If you must work with me, you must be dedicated, passionate. You must give in your best at all times. I hope you understand.
Yes, my prince.
And as for what happened today at the palace, I will let it slide because you came highly recommended by my father, the king. If such repeats itself, I won't think twice before sacking you.
No, my prince. I promise it's not going to happen again.
Let it not happen again. You'll forgive me.
Thank you, my prince.
Yes, I was actually looking for you, so it's a good thing I saw you here.
My princess.
I'm not your princess.
You are and you will always be.
I'm not even here to crack jokes with you.
Neither am I.
Oh, that does it. I just wanted you to know that your services as my personal maid will no longer be needed. Meaning, you're fired. Get out now.
My princess, you lack the authority to do that.
Honey, I think I do because when it comes to you and I'm directly involved.
I insist that you do not have the power to sack me. I got this job through the authority of the Onowu and the king. So if you must sack me, you will have to go through the king and the Onowu.
Are you the one speaking to me? I'm not even here to do logic with you. So when you're done talking bullshit, get back in there, pack your shit, and bounce out of my house.
I go nowhere, my princess.
Okay. All right, we'll see about that.
Do not mind her. She cannot sack you.
Yes, my queen. I know she can't. But she threatened to use force on me. I presume she wants to use the guards.
The guards are under strict and direct instruction not to listen to her once it concerns you. So concentrate and do the job on her. Do the good job, okay?
Yes, my queen.
You may leave.
My prince. Why are you looking at me as if I'm not welcomed? Huh?
Sorry, but you are not welcomed here. How can you just barge into my office uninvited?
Well, my prince, I'm sure that your sister, Adajerama, the classy princess of Umbanato Kingdom, mentioned my visit to you last night, or didn't she?
Oh, my sister said something about her friend. But she never told me that someone would barge into my office uninvited.
Well, okay. There's no need for all that. I'm here now. I mean, we are two adults. We are mature. I like you. So, let's roll.
Thanks, but I'm not interested. So leave.
Come on, my prince. I mean, you don't want to say no to Brenda, do you?
It's becoming irritating. Leave, else I'm calling the security.
My prince, it has not gotten to the point of calling the security.
It has because you're becoming a nuisance. Please leave.
Okay. I can see that you're busy, so I'll take my leave now. But we are going to revisit this. How about that?
Thanks. Leave.
Okay. All right, my prince. Do enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you later.
What the hell? Well, don't you knock? My princess, I came to see what you're up to. Okay, that's why you barged in? Like that? Invaded my privacy? Because you want to know what I'm doing. As what? As a 3-year-old now, huh? I'm sorry about that, my princess. What do you want? My princess, you should be busy with the activities in the palace and not pressing your phone. What'd you say? My phone? I shouldn't press my phone. What are you doing to me? What are you saying? My princess, it's not ideal for a lady to loosely sit pressing her phone when she has things to do. Loosely sit? Okay. I thought you would calm down. I swear to God, girl, you have a PhD in driving me nuts. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to trigger me, and it will not work. Okay? Use the door. My princess, it seems you've not come to the terms that I'm here to tutor you. You serious about that? Oh, Jesus, this girl kills me with her energy. You want to tutor me? How's her? I mean, what can you possibly offer me, girl? What do you possibly have to teach me? Like this? Girl, you're beyond ridiculous. From where I stand, I'm the one that got lots to teach you. For starters, I am well-read, well-traveled, PhD in chemistry, and lots more. You, on the other hand, is nothing but a lousy, ignorant village girl who has not ever been opportune to see beyond the boundaries of this town, this little city. And you want to teach me something? My princess, my teachings will not be based on secular education, but on the customs and traditions of our people. Shh! Take your cultural, traditional teachings and shove it down your throat. I do not care for it. One bit. No, I don't. Now get out of my way. I want to leave because your energy has ruined the whole place. You messed up the energy here. You ruined it with your ugly presence. I hope you're happy now. You can eat the goddamn food now. Eat it!
Yeah, what kind of a princess? She could be someone to emulate, but she's hating on everyone and it's so bad. Yeah, cause she's so full of herself, oh, and she don't want to change, oh, cause she's so full of herself, oh, yeah, and she don't want to change, oh, yeah, come down and let
She's not that bad, my prince.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry for delving into matters that doesn't concern me in this office, but
it's alright. Talk to me.
Thank you, my prince. My prince, she possesses the character of a future queen. She's beautiful, smart. That's the kind of woman I believe you need in your life.
Well spoken, but I'm not interested in any woman for now.
But why, my prince?
Story for another day.
My prince, if I was you...
Get back to work.
Okay, my prince.
You don't even make no goddamn sense. Come sit. Jesus, why are you like this? What is going on?
Isn't it obvious that these people are working my last nerves, trying to control me?
Which people? I mean, your parents?
Them. They're trying so hard to cage me, but what they forget is that I am not a woman you could try to cage.
Okay, but what did they do?
Oh God, it doesn't even matter. You're supposed to be in my brother's office. You were supposed to be at my brother's office.
Yes.
Why are you here?
Actually, that's where I'm coming from.
How did it go?
Princess, your brother is proving stubborn. Very stubborn. I mean, I tried all my moves. I made some efforts and it didn't work. He's really stubborn.
But you know, you're not gonna give up. You know that, right?
Yes, I know that. I don't intend to. No, I like him. I really do like him.
So then stick to the plan.
Okay.
I'll tell you something.
What?
I'll come up with more ways that we can make this work.
You're going to help me?
You know I got you.
Okay.
Hold on, let me process my thoughts.
you can offer someone to love you.
Take these bottles of alcohol and trash them, please.
I should trash them?
Yes.
But Wango, they belong to the princess now. Why can't I just trash them?
I don't think the princess needs to be taking excessive alcohol, so take it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Everything.
Everything.
There I go.
Thank you. May I?
Let's sit.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
Not at all. Chuma.
My prince.
Please excuse us.
Yes, my prince.
What I'm about to say now might sound somehow, or might surprise you, but that's the gospel truth.
Feel free, you can talk to me, my friends.
Tobenda loves you.
don't understand.
Yes, he's my friend, and I've studied him in and out, okay? He truly loves you, and he's ready to cherish and love you with everything he has.
But it's you I love. I don't love Tobina.
But you can develop love for him.
My prince, why are you saying this? Hey! Hello! I'm talking to you. What was that? What did I just see? Can you simply explain to me the motive behind that total overhaul that I see in my room? What's that about?
I will agree with you when you say you have PhD, because you always use the right words. Overhaul. And that's why I'm expecting you to ask me the reason for the overhaul.
Oh, okay. Meaning that it was you who approved that total overhaul without my permission. You have such impetus.
Adadiorama,
Oh, there she go.
my most gorgeous princess. The beautiful princess of Mbanato Kingdom. The king, your father, gave me the approval to mold you into a true African woman. Therefore, your approval is not required.
Mold me. In other words, you're saying I'm not well groomed. Is that what you're saying?
My princess, you will agree with me that I mean well for you. I really do.
Shove it down your ass. To hell with you and whatever it is you think you mean. I do not care for it one bit. Look at you. What you don't know is that I have been tolerating your bullshit in this palace because they say you have some kind of weird affiliation with the deity of Mbanato. I, on the other hand, I have no stupid affiliation with any goddamn deity. Meaning that you don't want to cross my path. You really don't want to. My princess. Stupid idiot. Tell me to teach me what it's about.
And she don't want to change your mind, 'cause she's so.
I have to be on my way now. You've done very well.
Thank you.
In fact, you have done more than Buhari in 8 years.
I can say that.
Yes.
Are you expecting someone?
Not exactly. But let me drop you off anyway. Yeah, please come. Come in. Whoa. Welcome. Please come. How are you?
Johnson.
Hello, dear. Welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Yes.
Let me just give you guys the chance to have your moment.
Yes.
I will see you later. Come on, bro. Hey. You're the man. Nice one.
So I talk to you later.
No problem.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time.
All right. Nice. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
Okay. I was not expecting you. Okay. You want this?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh, okay. I was not expecting you.
Yeah, I actually decided to come unannounced.
Okay. Thank you. You're still welcome all the same.
Thank you.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question. And please be very honest with me.
Yes, please. I'll be honest.
Do you love me?
Yes. I love you very much. I love you with everything in me. And I'll continue to ask you to give me a chance to prove to you how much I love you.
I'm ready to give you the chance. I love you too.
Are you serious? What? God, please. Thank you.
My prince, you're here. Why did you leave the room? Come on, you're a big boy in every definition of the word. You shouldn't be doing this.
So you were expecting me to be happy about your stupidity? A man comes back from work and meets a total stranger lying on his bed, and you expect me to be happy about that?
I'm shocked that you're still referring to me as a stranger. Bonaya, come on, we've known each other for years.
We've known each other for years. Fine. Have I given you any green light? Have I given you any sign that indicates I'm interested in you? No. So why are you bugging me? Why are you messing with my psyche?
I promise you that's not my intention. Okay? Let's just forget about the past. I mean, we were young and naive. We are both adults now. Look, just give us a chance, okay? I'm ready to love you, give it to you, however you want.
I am not interested. I am not interested. The next time you try something like that, you will end up in the police cell.
Why are you threatening me? What, is it a crime to love you? Why are you doing this?
I am not threatening you, darling. I'm telling you the truth. If I come back and see you anywhere around this vicinity, I will get you arrested and I will make sure you spend days in cell. I don't want to see you around here when I return.
Why do you keep threatening me? Is it a crime to love you?
It's not a threat. I'm telling you the truth. If I come back and see you anywhere around me, I will get you arrested.
God, what kind of man is this? What is the problem? Is it that I'm not attractive enough? Is it I'm not attractive enough? What is this?
Hi, big bro. I didn't know you were back. What's up?
Adadyorama, whatever you are planning won't work.
What am I planning?
You planted that thing in my room. Go get her out yourself.
Okay. First of all, you ought to be thanking me for trying to hook a brother up with a hot chick. Secondly, Brenda, as you might not know, happens to be the most industrious, lovely, and nurturing woman any man would love to have as a wife. That's why I'm giving her to my brother.
Adadyorama, what sort of nonsense are you getting yourself involved with?
There's nothing nonsensical about this. You need to calm down and reconsider the girl. She's good for you.
Now listen real good. Even if I'm blind and out of my senses, I will never marry any of your friends.
What does that mean?
Because you all represent nothing but irresponsibility.
No. You will not insult me now. I will not have you do that to me.
If I come back and see that thing in my room, she will sleep in cell.
What does he mean? My friends and I are what? Irresponsible? Is that how he sees me?
to find someone who wants you. Don't make that mistake. It will never work out. Go for that someone who wants you. And you want him to.
My princess, I know you can hear me. It's time for you to wake up. You have a meeting by 10 a.m. this morning, and by now you should be ready. My princess, the mere fact that you have people doing everything for you does not mean you should wake up late. I know you can hear me. I'll be back in a few minutes and I expect you to be ready by that time. My princess, please, I want you to make this job easy for me. I know you can hear me, please. I'll be back in a few minutes. And please be ready by the time I get back.
Cause she's so full of herself, yeah. And she don't want to change yeah. Come down and learn our ways. Stop the hating, stop the
Good morning, my prince.
Mom, how are you?
I'm very well, my prince.
You look new. Who are you and what's your job in this palace?
My prince, I'm the personal maid assigned to the princess.
Oh, I see. So how is it going?
Pretty well, my prince.
All right, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Thank you, my prince.
My princess, is there any problem? And why did you lock the door?
Shut up and listen. I called you here because there's something I want you to do for me. It's a task, actually. And I can only delegate you because of all the people in the palace, you're the only one I can trust.
Thank you, my princess. It's an honor.
Now listen. I want to deal with your no. I want to decimate him. And I need you to organize some boys to handle him. You know what I mean?
Yes, my princess. But I'm very sorry. That mission will not be possible.
And why is that?
Because Onu Wofia Fulego, apart from being the assistant king of this kingdom, is also the head of Egbe Noba cultural group. And you know what that means?
I don't know. And I don't care to know. So save me all the cultural bullshit and stay on track with the topic at hand. Let us brainstorm on ways to crush him.
My princess, you should have allowed me to finish. Onu Wofia Fulego is a man of many sides. The mere fact that you are thinking of hurting him, he knows already.
And so because he knows he should continue to oppress me?
Well, my princess, I didn't say that. Apart from being tough, Onu Wofia Fulego is an easygoing man who listens. So I will advise my princess, you should find a way to strike a balance with him.
What you say?
I said...
Shut your trap.
I'm sorry, my princess.
You dare admonish me to become friends with my enemy? For saying that, you two have just become my enemy. Oh boy, it's on.
No.
I got my eyes on you.
No, my princess.
Get out.
You are misunderstanding this, please. I mean no harm.
Get the hell out! There's gotta be another way. There's gotta be a way.
My love. Hey, Uju, my love. You know I love you. And I'll do anything for you. All you need to do is say yes.
You mean you can do anything I want?
Just name it. Yes, I can do anything for my baby. All you need to do is say yes to me. Is it the prince? The prince is my man. Eh? This is my man. Dalolo. Oh.
Hello, sir.
Greetings, Ono. That is the ideal way to greet.
As it appears, the word sir supersedes all forms of titles. Sir.
That is fallacy. And it is a lie from the pit of hell. Sir might be an exalted title overseas in the white man's land. But here in Mbanato, it means absolutely nothing to us. In fact, it is not higher than anything at all. Talk about titles. So, greet me well.
Greetings. Oh no, Ofia Fulego.
Greetings, Adado Rama, Princess of Mbanato Kingdom. It shall be well with you.
Can I go now?
Oh yes, you may go.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings, my daughter. How are you doing?
I'm very well, Ono.
From your own assessment, do you think she will learn ways of life and live the way we live, culture and tradition? Do you think she's capable of condescending, coming down from her high horse to learn these things and do what is expected of her?
Yes, Ono. She will. She's just acting tough. But right inside her, she has a good heart. She's a good woman who is dealing with complex issues.
Well, you are here to help her overcome those complex issues. Bring her head down. Let her understand that Mbanato is Mbanato and white man's land is the white man's land.
Yes,
we have our own ways of life and they have their own there. She cannot transplant that nonsense they teach them there to this place or come here to superimpose such stupidity on us. We cannot accept it. Yeah? So okay. It is your duty to do the needful.
It's okay. Let me remind you that you're here.
Okay, please do.
Uju, I don't know why you are so excited, or because that fool angst you out.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Do you know it is jealousy that I smell here?
Me?
I mean, Udochi, why are you calling him names? Are you an enemy of progress?
Me? Jealous? Wait, why should I be jealous in the first place? See, Uju, you should know me. You know that I don't mingle with low class, you know, right? See, Is it that fool that has asked every maid in this palace out? That should tell you the kind of man that you are dating. That
You
it should.
don't be an enemy of progress. Looking at you, all I see is jealousy. I mean, has he said anything to you?
Okay, no wahala. If that's how you feel, no wahala. But all I want to tell you right now is I have satisfied my conscience by telling you this as a good friend that I am. But if you feel like he's a good man and he's the best man for you, Ngwanuna, go ahead, be with him. But I've told you my own.
Anyways, through him, I can get the prince to finance my vacation to Tinapa. But wait though, why is Udochi speaking ill of him? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Udochi, you have some explanation to make. Udochi.
Tobina, what is wrong with you? Have you taken any medications?
Not yet.
Okay, let me get you some drugs, okay? Hold on, let me get you some drugs.
Please, help me get a glass of water first before you go get drugs.
Okay, water. Okay, let me get you water. Hey, come here.
Marry me. I ask you to marry me.
Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'll marry you. It's so beautiful.
Dara, I love you so much. I love you with everything in me. And I vow with everything I hold sacred to be a good husband to you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, your father is a man of dignity. Where did you pick this rascality from?
My prince, I'm sorry, I was only having a conversation with her.
The last and worst thing that can happen to you is lying to me. I heard everything you told her.
My prince, I was only joking with her.
Listen, nobody is stopping you from chasing women. But there is time for everything. At your age, there is nothing serious going on in your life. So women shouldn't be your priority number one. Get a life first. Focus, work hard. When you make it, you can chill with as many as you want.
How on earth will you have such beauties roaming around in this palace and is not making use of it? Prince.
I need you to come with me and do the needful.
I am not interested in you. No this and no peace.
Why? Am I not good enough?
I don't beat women. But if you push me, I will start from you.
Prince, that's what I want. Come on. Grab me. Hit me. In fact, spank me. In fact, you'll turn me on if you spank me. Try it. Hmm? Try it. My prince, stop doing this. Where are you going?
Leave me alone. Excuse me.
My prince. Come on, where are you going? Stop running away from me. I don't bite.